Imagine waking up one morning, checking your bank account, and seeing money you earned while you were asleep. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. This is exactly what thousands of people are doing today, using AI to create ebooks for passive income. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can do it too. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to AI Side Hustle so you don't miss any of these life-changing tips that can literally help you make money while you sleep. Now, I know what you're thinking. Writing an ebook sounds complicated, time-consuming, and maybe even intimidating. But thanks to AI, it has become faster, easier, and surprisingly fun. You don't need to be a professional writer. You don't need a big budget, and you don't need years of experience in publishing. What you do need is curiosity, a little creativity, and the willingness to follow a simple system that turns ideas into a polished ebook ready to sell online. Let me take you behind the scenes and show you exactly how it works. First, let's talk about the power of AI tools. AI has advanced so much that it can now help you generate topics, outlines, entire chapters, and even catchy titles in minutes. You can literally sit down with your computer, type in a few prompts, and watch the AI do the heavy lifting. But before you even touch the AI, it's important to pick the right niche. This is where most beginners go wrong. You want to choose a topic that people are actively searching for, something that solves a problem or entertains, but also something you are comfortable exploring. Think about popular categories like self-help, productivity, fitness, money management, hobbies, or even niche fiction genres. Once you have your niche, the next step is brainstorming ideas. AI can help here too. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or WriteSonic can generate dozens of ebook ideas in seconds. All you need to do is give it a clear prompt, like, "Give me 20 ebook ideas about minimalism for beginners," and it will deliver a list of creative topics you can choose from. Pick the one that excites you the most, because your enthusiasm will reflect in your writing. Now, let's move on to outlining your ebook. A strong outline is crucial because it keeps your content organized and makes the writing process much smoother. With AI, you can ask for a chapter-by-chapter breakdown. For example, you can type "Create a 10-chapter outline for an ebook about starting a home-based business," and you'll get a structured plan that you can follow. This saves hours of planning and ensures your ebook has a logical flow. Once the outline is ready, it's time to write. This is the most exciting part, because the AI can now generate the actual content for each chapter. You can start by giving the AI a prompt, like write a 500-word introduction about the benefits of passive income through ebooks. It will produce a readable, engaging section, and you can tweak it to add your personal touch. Remember, you're not just copying AI content, you're curating it, editing it, and making it your own so it sounds authentic and natural. One common fear people have is, will my ebook be unique if I use AI? The answer is yes, if you edit, personalize, and inject your voice into it. AI is a tool, not a replacement for creativity. You can mix AI-generated content with your own anecdotes, examples, and insights, making your ebook genuinely yours. After writing, the next step is formatting. Your ebook should look professional. Tools like Canva, Adobe InDesign, or even Microsoft Word can help you format your book with a cover, chapter headings, and proper spacing. A clean, professional layout increases credibility and makes readers more likely to leave positive reviews. Speaking of covers, don't underestimate their power. AI image generators, like Midjourney or DALL-E, can create eye-catching ebook covers in minutes. All you need is a concept, and the AI will generate multiple design options. Pick the one that stands out the most and fits your book's theme. Now comes the exciting part: publishing and selling. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, also known as KDP, is the easiest way to get your ebook in front of millions of readers. Upload your formatted book, choose a price, and hit publish. But don't stop there. You can also sell your ebook on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or even your own website. Marketing is key to driving sales, and AI can help here too. From writing compelling product descriptions to generating email campaigns, social media posts, and even blog articles to promote your ebook, AI can streamline your marketing strategy. Let's talk numbers for a moment, because I know you're curious about earnings. Some beginners make $100 a month with just one ebook, while others build multiple ebooks and earn $1,000 or more every single month. The more ebooks you create, the more your passive income grows. And the beauty of using AI is that the time investment decreases with each new project. Can realistically produce a full ebook in a few days instead of weeks or months. Now, I want to share a secret tip that most people overlook: creating a series. Series work because readers who enjoy your first ebook are likely to buy the next one. AI makes it easy to plan sequels or related titles without starting from scratch. For instance, if your first book is 10 Steps to Financial Freedom, your next could be 10 Advanced Strategies for Building Wealth, and the AI can help you generate the outline, chapters, and marketing copy. Another strategy to boost income is bundling. You can combine several short ebooks into a single mega ebook, increasing perceived value and revenue. AI can help identify which books complement each other and even rewrite content so it feels fresh. One question I get a lot is, do I need to be tech-savvy to do this? Absolutely not. AI tools are designed to be user-friendly, even if you've never published an ebook before. Step-by-step tutorials are available, and the AI guides you through the content creation process. The hardest part is actually starting. Once you begin, you'll see how much easier it is than you imagined. Let's not forget the importance of research. Even though AI can generate content, it's crucial to fact-check, especially if your ebook is informational. Credibility is everything. A well-researched, polished book builds trust and keeps readers coming back for more. And here's the best part. Once your ebook is live and marketing is set up, you can literally earn money while doing other things. You can focus on creating your next ebook, exploring new niches, or even spending more time on hobbies and family. That's the magic of passive income. By now, you're probably seeing how powerful AI is in transforming the ebook publishing process. It's like having a writing assistant who works 24/7 without complaining, making your life easier and your business more profitable. But don't make the mistake of overthinking. Start small, learn as you go, and iterate. Each ebook is a learning experience, and with every book, your efficiency and earnings will grow. Before I wrap up, let's talk about engagement, because it's just as important as creating content. Encourage readers to leave reviews, ask questions, and share your book. Interaction increases visibility on platforms like Amazon, which drives more sales. And speaking of engagement, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Which niche would you choose for your first AI-powered ebook? Sharing your ideas can inspire others and create a supportive community. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to AI Side Hustle, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on ways to earn passive income with AI. Finally, sharing this video with a friend who's interested in making money online could change their life too. Remember, the first step is always the hardest, but with AI by your side, turning your ideas into profitable ebooks has never been easier. So start today. Take action and watch your passive income grow faster than you ever imagined. By following this roadmap, you can go from having zero experience to creating multiple streams of income, all from the comfort of your home, using AI to do most of the heavy lifting. And the best part, this isn't just a one-time opportunity. The AI tools available today are only going to get smarter, faster, and more accessible, which means your potential to scale your ebook business will only increase with time. So don't wait. Dive in, experiment, and have fun with it. Each ebook you create is not just a product. It's a chance to help someone, share your knowledge, and generate income that works for you around the clock. This is the exact strategy that AI Side Hustle uses to help viewers like you turn ideas into revenue, and it's completely repeatable. Take what you've learned today, pick your niche, let AI guide you through writing and publishing, and watch as your first ebook becomes the start of a profitable passive income stream. Remember, the key to success is consistency, creativity, and taking action. So, comment below with your niche idea. Share this video to help a friend start their journey, and let's build something amazing together. Passive income through AI-powered ebooks is not just a dream anymore, it's your reality waiting to happen. Start now, and you'll thank yourself later.